We've just acquired this lovely Jaguar XE diesel. It's in lovely condition. It's got unmarked smoked chrome alloy wheels. Lovely colour. It's got privacy glass to the rear. Boot areas in lovely condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors. It's done 116,916 miles. It's automatic. It's got satellite navigation. It's got park distance control, air conditioning, cruise control, media pack and Bluetooth. A DJH, full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.